Here's a really quick update for you guys on what's happening with Binance.us. A few days ago, in fact, the day after I published the video talking about how this lawsuit has been unleashed and warning you to get your coins off of Binance US, this one starts with the very same warning. If you haven't gotten your coins off of that exchange and you're waiting for another reason why, here we go. The SEC has filed a restraining order hoping to freeze the funds on Binance.us and their parent companies operating under the name BAM, B-A-M. So this company was, it's been organized for just the US, so this restraining order is not affecting the Binance.com users or other Binance International users, at least not yet. Also, this restraining order has not been officially granted yet, so the funds aren't frozen, but if ever there was a warning for you to get your funds off, this is it, because if this restraining order is granted, you're going to be waiting years and years, probably until this court case is closed, to get your funds back. And if Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market moves in cycles like we know that we do in years to come, you might find yourself right in another bear market, unable to take any profits that you otherwise would have been hoping to do so if they're frozen on an exchange. Also, within this restraining order, we're getting more enlightenment on some of the claims that the SEC is making against Binance. They're saying that even though Binance claimed that all US citizens were restricted from using Binance.com, turns out if you were a high net worth individual, if you had enough money to trade with, they'd go ahead and let you in the club, they're gonna turn your back on the fact that you're a US citizen and go ahead and let you use Binance.com. Also, they're claiming that CZ was basically, and the team behind Binance, whoever was doing the actual trading, were effectively using an account on Sigma chain to wash trade against their users to, affect some fake trades, to fake liquidity, and to possibly manipulate price of some coins. And that's been an allegation against Binance for years. Again, these are just allegations. Binance is saying they're going to fight to the death. It seems that they really want to fight this in court to the best of their ability. So we'll see what kind of claims they come up to defend themselves and what kind of evidence the SEC provides as well. There's a lot of coins that are getting sucked into this as well, being labeled as securities, and that's kind of the key that the SEC is using that allows them to have any kind of ability to start this lawsuit. And if you want to know what I have to think about that, go ahead and hit subscribe, because that's in tomorrow's video. We're also going to cover what's happening with Coinbase. So hit subscribe, hit like, I appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow.